Hello, my name is Jim, and today we're going to play Wobbly. If you see the last video, I pressed 5 buttons. I couldn't figure out what the last one is. I figured out. I was at the wrong two subway. I didn't see this one because the subway was actually like camouflaged in the building. So let's just steal this vehicle, and it's supposed to be like around here somewhere. Whoa, whoa, back off. It was here. Can't believe I didn't see it. Tried to where what the building was when I knew where it was, but I couldn't find it because it was here. Camouflaged. Oh. Ooh. So speed. Just cruises to be like right here. Yeah, see it. There should be some shaking. So yeah. And don't miss. And whoa, there's some shaking. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Shake it, stop. Take a short one. So this is a different. Weird. Okay, so I have to take like a jet ski or something like that. So let's go and get it. This episode will be short, right? Try. This should work. Just get my thing. Wow! Oh, whoa! Oh, what? Oh, what? Whoa! So space. Whoa! Just respawn. This ain't for sure here. Let's get my monster truck. I haven't used my monster truck in ages. It feels like ages. Let's go and go where the thing is. I always spoil what it is, but I know what it is. But I'll spoil one thing. It's a new island. Something like that. And I'm going to take a jet ski. Stealing this jet ski. And then do this. Go. Okay, this didn't work. This must work. This didn't work. I can't believe this didn't work. See that island a little bit? See that like bump? It wasn't there. So, yeah, it's a tropical island. Yes. Okay. Oh. I'll just give me a few minutes. Wait, oh no, I got underwater. Oh, what? Oh, great. Just, okay. next video will be in the next video.